Hey everyone, I'm Rob and I want to share some valuable insights on how to actually make more money online based on the teachings of Mark Tilbury, a self-made millionaire who has successfully navigated the world of online business. He's learned through experience, making and losing millions, and now he's sharing what truly works. This isn't about get-rich-quick schemes, but about building something real over the next 6 to 12 months. Mark introduces what he calls the online wealth wheel, and it has 3 main stages, plus a 4th stage that very few ever reach. So let's break down each stage. Stage 1, no side hustle. This is where everyone starts, and sadly, 55% of people never even begin. In today's economy, with rising inflation, relying on a single paycheck is risky. So the reason so many people hesitate is that the online world seems overwhelming, full of confusing, hyped up methods. So Tilbury's key advice for stage 1, pick a method that suits your skills, your budget, and your lifestyle. If you have existing skills like video editing, graphic design, or coding, offer those services. There's high demand. And if you don't have a specific skill or don't want to work directly with clients, consider product-based businesses, like selling products online without ever holding inventory. Stage 2, running a failing side hustle. Now, Mark defines a failing side hustle as earning less than $50 per month online. And unfortunately, 28% of people are stuck here. So he says that often, it's not the side hustle that's flawed, but a lack of consistent effort due to the shiny object syndrome. So, this is when you constantly jump from one trendy method to another, like drop shipping one week, then print on demand, then Amazon KDP, without fully committing to any of them. So Tilbury's key advice for stage 2 is recognize if you're stuck in the shiny object syndrome and break the cycle. So pick one method and stick to it. Forget the idea of the perfect side hustle. Choose something that's easy to start with the potential to scale. Now, based on his experience, Mark strongly recommends focusing on e-commerce, and that's good news. And the good news is starting an online store doesn't have to involve dealing with inventory or complex setups anymore. You can now utilize AI-built Shopify stores using a free tool called buildyourstore.ai. This can launch a fully automated store in minutes by simply entering your name and email, picking a niche. It handles choosing winning products and designing a professional looking store. By the way, I'm testing it myself and it looks good so far. This tool syncs with Shopify and gives you access to a 3-month Shopify trial for only $1 a month. To handle inventory and shipping, integrate a tool called AutoDS, which Tilbury describes as an autopilot system. It imports products, updating pricing and images, and ships orders directly to your customers so you don't have to handle inventory. To make sales, focus on driving traffic. You can create a buzz around your products by making free videos on platforms like TikTok. Even a small percentage of viewers can translate into significant revenue. The key is to commit, launch your store, and consistently put in the work to scale up. Now, stage 3, running a successful side hustle. Believe it or not, only 16% who start making money online ever make more than $50 per month. This group earns anywhere from $51 to $10,000 plus per month. Tilbury outlines 4 key steps that separate those who struggle from those who succeed. Step 1, stop trying to appeal to everyone. Instead, define your ideal customer, their age, their interests, struggles, their content they consume. The clearer you are, the easier it is to create content that grabs their attention. It's more effective to speak directly to one person than to shout to a crowd. Now, step 2, stay consistent. Most people give up when they don't see instant results. Consistency over perfection is key. Focus on small daily actions to keep your store visible. This includes posting daily content about your products, engaging comments and messages, reaching out and talking on other platforms, testing different product description and images. Now, step 3, show, just don't tell. Don't assume people will understand why they should buy your product. You have to clearly demonstrate the benefits. That's what I do. For example, if selling custom gaming controllers, show how the features enhance gameplay and compare them to standard controllers. Customers need to see the product, understand its difference, and immediately grasp its benefits. Now, and step 4 is build trust with social proof. And this one's probably more important than all of them. People need reassurance before buying from a new brand. So if you're starting out, order your own product, record an unboxing video, ask friends or family for honest reviews, showcase real people using your products instead of just using stock photos. And stage 4 is the final stage, running an elite side hustle, the secret stage. Now this is the level that less than 1% of people ever reach. The key to differentiator here is reinvesting. Instead of immediately spending your profits, put a portion back into your side hustle. While investing in the stock market is good, when you're starting, the best investment is your own business because you have direct control over its growth. Okay? So how to reinvest effectively? Upgrade your tools to save time and scale your operations. This can include, or it could involve, automating tasks that you were doing manually, invest in getting more customers through marketing, whether it's paid ads, testing new content, or working with small influencers. Start to outsource small tasks that you don't like logo design or content creation, the boring tasks, even if it seems early on. Thinking this way from the beginning puts you ahead of most people. In conclusion, Mark Tilbury's approach emphasizes starting simple, focusing on e-commerce with readily available AI tools, consistently working on your business, understanding your customer, showcasing your product value, building trust, and strategically reinvesting your profits. By following these steps and committing to the process, you can significantly increase your chances of building a successful online income stream. So again, if you want to know more about this, I suggest you just head over to Mark Tilbury's channel and watch his recent video. He talks about this in detail. I thought it was so valuable and I wanted to share it with you. So, by the way, as always, if you need help starting an online business, I've tested over 54 side hustles. Just go to my profile link and opt in and you can read all about it. It's all free and I've tested over 50 of them. There's one in there I'm sure you'll like that will help you out. All right, so that's it for now and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.